Yo, welcome back to the garage. It's been a minute, but I thought I'd get back in it. Happy New Year. Anyway, I got some catastrophes here for you to look at. Look at this Impreza WRX here. It totally fell apart. He said the clutch just stopped working all of a sudden. This is the shaft that the throwout bearing rides on, and this is part of the throwout bearing. The rest of the throwout bearing is around here. So I got a new transmission on the way. It should be here today, actually. Because this case is split, so you'd have to replace this whole front section of the gearbox. But I've got a used one on its way because it's cost effective. But yeah, what else is going on currently in the shop? I just did this engine. Shop's a mess, by the way. Toyota V6. Compressor killing me. Anyway, this V6 Toyota, what was it doing? It actually lost power on him and was the oil light was coming on. So I was like, oh, interesting. So I ran it, and then I revved it up a few times after it got running again, and I could hear some knocking in the crankcase. And then taking this apart and swapping over everything to the new engine. Yeah, those thrust bearings. The crank is walking. So that just tells you what's going on inside this engine, which is a whole bunch of 300,000 mile, loose bearings, worn out parts. So I thought that was a fun job. So yeah, shop's kind of a mess right now. I got a new rack for the shop. It's a bike rack. I've been going over BMX bikes recently, getting a fetish about those and kind of collecting them. Got an old scooter like I had when I was a wee lad, so that's been fun. None of these are expensive bikes or cool bikes, but that's part of the fun. So mostly just wanted to make an update video. The channel has been dormant for a while. Lots of things have been happening. I'm sure that it's hard to explain them all in just a quick update video, but I'm thinking of changing the channel just slightly to make it more of a variety show, like with guest stars like Yoda up here, and just ridiculous things that I'm getting into, because I have a lot of interests besides just cars. I'm definitely going to make car videos. Speaking of, I'm going off-roading again with my buddy, with the same group of awesome people that I made some videos about a while ago. If you check down into my history, I've got a bunch of videos about just some easygoing off-roading. But this time we're going up in the Snoqualmie Mountains and getting into some snow. So I'll be sure to record some overlanding videos, some four-wheel drive action, which I'm getting into. Still don't have a rig yet. I have a Subaru. Impreza. I'm thinking about lifting it and doing all kinds of other stuff, but probably not. I'll probably get a rig someday, but for now, I'll live with my buddy Sean, and we'll do that. So yeah, I might even make a video of like stuff I'm collecting, like sleeping bags, snowshoes, like stuff that I'm getting prepared for the camping trip on. So just random videos. I think if I'm going to start making videos again, I think that's what I want to do, is just, I might make a completely separate channel if it just goes nowhere or if people complain. Keep Cohesive Garage, just stuff that happens here at the shop. But I'm just going to start implementing other stuff. So thanks for bearing with me, and I'll catch you guys soon with some random stuff. So take care. Peace.